To fit the baby-safe sleeper, simply follow these steps. Firstly, attach the two baby-safe sleeper seatbelt brackets to the diagonal seatbelt closest to the door, and also the seatbelt in the appropriate middle seat position. Place your baby's arms through the shoulder straps and bring the two buckle tongues together so that they interlock. Fasten the two buckle tongues firmly into the buckle until you hear a click. Adjust the shoulder straps, ensuring that there are no twists, and pull the harness tight with the adjuster strap. The harness should be tightened enough so that you can still get 2 fingers underneath. This will ensure your baby is comfortable and secure. Then put the baby-safe sleeper in the vehicle seat, with the baby's head towards the center of the car, and attach the first seatbelt bracket closest to the door to the D-ring. Tighten the belt by pulling down and taking the slack away. Move to the other side of the car and attach the second seatbelt bracket to the other D-ring. Tighten the belt by pulling down and taking the slack away. Finally, check the installation is correct by holding onto the sleeper and making sure it is firm and secure. To remove the baby-safe sleeper from the car, simply place your hand on the side of the baby-safe sleeper to take the tension, and take the diagonal seat belt above the bracket into your hand. Then firmly pull the diagonal belt upwards and around the shell of the baby-safe sleeper to easily release the seatbelt bracket from the D-ring. The other seatbelt bracket can now be easily removed and the baby-safe sleeper lifted out of the car.